Hello and welcome back to the Duel YouTube channel. Today we're going to do a very simple and easy wheel clean on this lovely Lotus. Yes, it's quite well maintained, but there is some brake dust that we're going to attend to. I'm going to show you how easy it is to do and not overcomplicate it. We've got some nice yellow calipers that we're going to attend to, but yeah, stick with me. This is going to look amazing when it's done. Things first, I'm going to just rinse down the wheel, rinse down the arch, just take off that initial layer, and then we're going to go in with wheel cleaners. Now, using Axis, diluted at 10:1, one of our dilution bottles, covering the wheel, all over the wheel. We're not going to be shy with it, we can cover everything in this. Whilst that is sort of sitting, doing its thing, attacking the brake dust, we've got cleanse, tyre cleaner, obviously for the tyres. Cover the tyre wall in that. Then we're going to work that in with our tyre scrubbing brush. Instantly you can see the dirt reacting with that. Now that's done, we're going to pull our barrel brush out and we're going to work away at these barrels. As I said, these wheels are maintained quite well. The whole car is maintained very well, so we don't need to be going too deep with iron fallout removers and stuff like that. Today it's just going to be a simple 2-product clean, Axis and cleanse for all the tyres. Really work away. Very methodical. One of our lovely wheel mitts. We get behind the spokes. These wheels are a dream to clean, by the way. Work away at that. Then we're going to get our detailing brush and just work away. Again, very methodical working. I like to break this down, so I will do this section and then work on the next section. That way you won't miss anything. Make sure you give everything a nice. I think about it as painting the wheel, so I will. So you like colouring in the wheel face pretty much, and you won't miss anything. Stay within the lines as they taught you in primary school. And don't forget to clean your nuts every single time. Let's get the brush, give it a little bit of a spin. And now we're going to attack the caliper. These obviously get caked in all the same brake dust, and because they're such a bright yellow, if you don't clean these, they'll stand out like a sore thumb. That's just about complete now. Now we'll give it a rinse down and we'll see how good that looks. Now, that is how easy it really is to clean your wheels.